Hi, everybody. Big Daddy Gonzo coming to you for Gonzo Radio. Just dropping you a little teaser video, letting you know that January 14th, a Saturday night, we're coming to you live, our first show of 2012. I will be pushing the Gonzo Radio brand, the agenda, to local terrestrial radio here in South Florida. I will also be offering up demo videos to various satellite radio companies, i.e., Sirius or XM. I don't know. What are they calling it now? I'll also be dropping demos on corporate radio stations here, of course, with Clear Channel, people like that. We'll give them a chance. Who knows? I've never really seen Gonzo Radio as a corporate radio thing, but hey, you throw enough money at me, I'm not going to sell out, but that might be the definite. It won't be a sellout. It'll still be Gonzo Radio. I think they can handle us now. So stay tuned. A lot happening here early January of 2000. That'll be this coming Saturday night, 1 week away, January 14th. Gonzo Radio live, 8 p.m. on live stream. Peace.